We'll guide you through how to use custom rules in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the Google Chrome app on your desktop to open the browser. Once the browser launches, access the Asana website and wait for the page to load completely. After the website appears, sign into your account using your login credentials. When you have successfully signed in, open the project where you want to use custom rules. After the project page loads, locate the Customize button in the top right corner of the screen and click it to open the customization panel. Inside the panel, select Rules to access the project automation settings. After selecting this option, review the available triggers and select a trigger for the rule. The trigger is the event that will cause the automation to run whenever the specified condition is met. Once the trigger has been selected, click Add Action to define what should happen after the trigger occurs. A list of available actions will appear on the screen. Browse the available options and choose the action you want to automate within the project. After selecting the action, configure the rule settings according to your requirements. Adjust any available options so that the automation performs exactly as intended when the trigger is activated. After confirming the details, the system will begin processing the request and adding the custom rule to the project. Once the rule appears in the project's list of active rules, test it with a sample task. Perform the action that should activate the trigger and observe whether the automated action is executed correctly. Your custom rule is now active and ready to automate actions within your Asana project whenever the selected trigger conditions are met. Finally, edit and customize your changed workspace as needed by managing projects, tasks, and other available workspace settings.